Welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Achy Breaky Heart as recorded by Billy Ray Cyrus. This tutorial is going to first of all show you the chords you need to play the song on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in 2 different keys, then how to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. I just want to mention that the original GCA videos for this play-along were made years ago. And since that time, I have started making baritone resources and also putting the chord charts on my website, ukestuff.info. So this tutorial goes along with the original GCA play-alongs, the new baritone version, and of course the chord chart or tabs that you can find on my website. Let's begin with GCEA ukulele in the original key of A. You're going to need 2 chords. You're going to need the A chord and then the E7 chord. The E7 chord is one of my favorite chords. Put my first finger at the top of the 4th string, 1st fret, second finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and my ring finger or 3rd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. That's the E7 chord. And those are the only 2 chords in the song. I also created a version of the song in the key of G for students and players that haven't yet moved to the A or the E7 chord. In this case, you'll need 2 chords. The first chord is the G chord, and then you'll need the D7, or what we call the Hawaiian D7 chord. And just a note, we call it a Hawaiian D7 because there actually isn't a D in that chord. But you can use that often because the D is represented elsewhere in the play-along and your ear fills it in. And those are the 2 chords to play Achy Breaky Heart on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in the key of G. Now let's talk about baritone. On baritone, we're going to actually use a different chord for the 2nd chord than we did in GCEA. Just like GCA, there are 2 chords. The first chord is the A chord. And then we're going to use an E chord, not an E7 chord. And that's just because the E sounds better on baritone tuning versus the E7 in the song. So again, the A chord and the E chord. And those are the 2 chords to play Achy Breaky Heart on baritone DGBE ukulele in the original key of A. Now, as it comes to strumming, there is not a single correct answer of how to strum. There are 3 rules for strumming. The first is that you play the right chord at the right time. The second is that you keep a steady tempo. And the third is that whatever you play matches the style of the music. As long as you're following those 3 rules, you're good. If you hear something different than what I'm going to show you in this video, go ahead and use it. The first strumming pattern that I would suggest would be where you would go down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down. The second option would be where you play all 4 beats up and down. So you're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But you're going to bring out beats 2 and 4. Down, up, 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 down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That would work really well too. Again, you're just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, in terms of basics of strumming, remember you're strumming where the body meets the neck. You're pointing at the floor. You're pointing at yourself. It's wrist action, not really arm action. And it's just a steady beat and your hand just keeps going up and down. That's true whether you're going down, down, up, down, down, up. Hand still keeps going. Or whether you're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Doesn't matter. Either one. Wrist keeps moving fluidly throughout the pattern. So with those chords and with those strumming patterns, that's all you need to do to be successful on Achy Breaky Heart as recorded by Billy Ray Cyrus. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.